Welcome back to Anatomy and Physiology on Catalyst University. My name is Kevin Tokoff. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future videos and notifications. In this video, we're going to use something called the rule of nines that's going to allow us to estimate the percentage of a body that's burned in some kind of fire or burning accident. We would hope that this kind of thing doesn't present that often in a hospital, but when it does, the rule of nines is used to give us an objective value. So let me read the question first, and then we'll talk about how you use the rule of nines. So we have a patient that suffered a burn injury that left the right anterior thigh, the entire left lower extremity, and the anterior right upper arm with second-degree burns. And we want to estimate the percentage of the body burned. Now, one thing just to note is that whether it's a second degree or third degree or you're using other terminology doesn't matter. It's applicable for any kind of a burn. The rule of nines for burns basically busts up the human body into 11 regions that each cover 9% of the total surface area of the body. And so let's actually talk about that right now. So first of all, the entire head is 9% of the surface area of the body. Now that being said, we're going to call the anterior half 4.5%, which is half of 9, and the back of the head, the posterior half, 4.5%. We also have the entire left arm, that's 9%, and the entire right arm, that's 9%. So for example, if we look at the patient's right arm, the anterior half of the arm is also 4.5%, and the posterior half is 4.5%, and that's the same for both the entire left arm and the entire right arm. Now, for the torso, the upper half of the torso, which more or less we could say the chest, is about 9%, and the abdomen is 9%. And then the upper back is 9%, and the lower back is 9%. Now for the lower extremities, they're pretty big. And so each lower extremity, left and right, is each 18%. So for example, if we look at the right lower extremity, we're going to say if the whole thing is 18%, then the anterior half would be 9, and then the posterior half would also be 9. That gives us 18%, and the same thing would go for the patient's left leg. And so what that gives us is 11 regions right here that are each 9% of the total surface area. So 11 times 9 is 99%. The genital region is going to be the other 1% to give us a total of 100%. Now, before you ever get to an exam where you have to answer one of these questions, I highly recommend that you memorize this figure and be able to draw a really quick rough sketch of it with the percentages. It looks intimidating, just practice it a few times and you'll be able to get it. And then once you have the picture drawn, you can much more easily answer this question. So the first part of the body that was burned was the right anterior thigh. Okay, so we know we're dealing with the right lower extremity. We know we're dealing with the anterior surface, but it's only the thigh. Okay, so if we're dealing with the right anterior lower extremity, that would be 9%. Right? The anterior right lower extremity is 9%. However, we're not counting the lower part of the leg, the ankle, and the foot. It's only the thigh. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that 9% and basically cut it in half, because it's not the whole anterior right lower extremity, it's just the thigh, which is about half. So we're going to say the right anterior thigh is about 4.5%. The next one is the entire left lower extremity. This one's a little bit easier. So the entire left lower extremity, that's counting the anterior surface and the posterior surface. Remember, an entire leg is 18%. Or you could look at it, the anterior half is 9, posterior half is 9, and so that's going to be 18%. The last part is the anterior right upper arm. So again, we're dealing with the right arm. We're dealing with the anterior half, but it's only the upper arm. It doesn't count the forearm and the hand. So this is a case similar to the right anterior thigh. We know that the anterior surface of the right arm is 4.5% because the entire arm, both halves is 9. Right? The entire right arm's 9, so the front half is 4.5. And because we're only dealing with the upper half of the anterior surface of the right arm, we're going to take this 4.5% and just cut it in half. Now, without having to get out a calculator and do all sorts of fancy math and decimals and all that, we're just going to say that 4.5%, half of it, somewhere between 2 and 3. We'll just say about 2.5%. That's approximate. It's close enough, right? And so then, now that we've dealt with all three of these areas, we just simply take the percentages and we add them up. So 4.5% was from the right anterior thigh. The entire left lower extremity was 18%. And then the anterior right upper arm is about 2.5%. If you're off by a couple percentage points, it's not a big deal. But we get approximately 25% of the body is covered in these second-degree burns here. So hopefully this video gave you a good understanding of what the rule of nines for burns is used for, and also how to actually calculate or estimate the percentage of the body that's burned. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future videos and notifications. Thank you.